Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Outpost Rush in New World. Outpost Rush, or OPR, is an exciting 20 versus 20 player versus player game mode where two teams battle for control of three key outposts. Your primary goal is to capture and hold these outposts while also gathering resources to upgrade your team's defenses. The first team to accumulate 1,000 points secures victory, with matches usually lasting around 15 to 25 minutes. It's a fast-paced and strategic experience. To succeed in OPR, focus on capturing and holding the three main outposts: Baroness, Fort, and Star. Each outpost you control generates points over time, so maintaining dominance is crucial. Gather Azoth and wood from around the map to upgrade your team's defenses, like gates and turrets, at your controlled outposts. Eliminating enemy players also contributes to your score and disrupts their strategy. Use your resources to summon powerful allies like brutes, or build command posts for an advantage. A well-rounded team composition is vital for OPR success. Ideally, your team should have a good balance of damage dealers, healers, and tanks. Damage dealers are essential for quickly taking down enemy players and securing objectives. Healers keep the team alive through intense engagements, providing critical sustain. Tanks absorb incoming damage, protect their squishier teammates, and can control enemy movement, creating opportunities for your damage dealers. Coordinating these roles will significantly increase your chances of winning. For advanced play, communication is paramount. Use voice or text chat to coordinate attacks, call out enemy positions, and request assistance. Prioritize capturing the central outpost, Baroness, as it provides a powerful team-wide buff that significantly increases your damage output for a limited time. This buff can turn the tide of battle. Also, remember to always enter OPR with fully repaired gear, appropriate consumables, and a clear understanding of your build to maximize your personal impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.